Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to apply for a national insurance number in the UK. The first step is to access the official website. We have the link to this in the description below for an easy access. Then be prepared to answer a series of questions including details about when you moved to the UK and your current address. So once you get to the website, click apply to begin this application. After putting in the details, you'll need to confirm if you want to receive a hard copy of your national insurance number by post. Then provide your email address and phone number. At this point, you will be asked to enter details for your BRP. After that, go ahead and upload a recent photo that meets with the specific guidelines. Upload clear images of your passport and BRP card, ensuring all four corners of the documents are visible. Once you're done, do well to review all your personal details and confirm that you meet the requirements. Submit your application by clicking on Accept and Send Application, and after successful submission, you will receive a reference number on both your mobile phone and email. Keep this number safe as it is important for tracking your application and can also be used for your job applications. Now, at the time of recording this, the application for your national insurance number is free. So these are the steps to follow if you'd like to apply for your national insurance number in the UK.